Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete a voice message before sending it in an Instagram group chat. If you've ever recorded a voice message and had second thoughts, don't worry. Here's how to quickly remove that message before it's sent. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, find and open the group chat where you want to send your voice message. This could be a group of friends, family, or colleagues, whichever group you're currently chatting with. Now, it's time to record your message. Click on the voice recorder icon, which looks like a microphone. Hold down this icon to start recording your voice message. Speak clearly and ensure that you've conveyed everything you want to say. However, if you realize that you need to delete the message before sending it, simply look for the trash icon that appears next to your recording. This icon allows you to delete the voice message instantly. Just click on it, and your voice message will be removed without being sent to the group. And there you have it. Following these simple steps ensures that you can manage your voice messages effectively on Instagram. Whether it's a slip of the tongue or a change of heart, knowing how to delete a voice message before sending it can save you from potential embarrassment. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting.